and I spoke about issues about cloud computing and the approach you need to take when you are new into that environment, and what you need to be aware of in terms of your integration capabilities of the services that are available in the cloud.
Alors, I'm Matthieu from Idora. I'm the CEO of the company, Cloud Computing in Switzerland, and I will present DevSecOps, how to manage and automate all the security in the development process.
So I am Jean-Marc Hilaire. I am a technology solution professional from Microsoft, dealing from everything has to do with identity, information protection, overall security. Today I'm going to present cloud security overall. So we are going to start from very high level to show our, thanks to the cloud, or because of the cloud, we are kind of shifting responsibilities from everything on the side of the customer to the side of the cloud provider.
Okay, I recommended that you design your architecture for high availability so that your systems are able to respond to failures using clues that you may detect from the logs that are available for you. And so you are able to spin up machines to help balance the workload where other virtual machines might be under stress.
You have to for your DevSecOps automation, you have to set your, of course, user management access, global user management access for your SSO and all your commit, and of course until the run, just until the cloud compilation.
The responsibility of the security really depends on the models that you're going to choose. So depending on whether you are going for the SaaS, for PaaS or for IaaS, and depending on the items, the security could be totally on the side of the customer. For example, you are responsible to bring the data to your application, be it a SaaS, a IaaS or a PaaS. If you are going for a hybrid mode, a part of the identity is on the side of the cloud provider.
The best practice is to ensure that you properly set up your user identities to have the least privileges that they need in order to operate within the cloud. So by services, by permissions, the permissions you give to the users and permission you give to the services that you will use in the cloud. Make sure they only do what they are required to do and not have any extra permissions that are not related to their main tasks.
Now, the managing cloud in terms of cloud provider is to manage the access for everybody and the DDoS attack. So we have a lot of protection in front of our cloud system to protect our user, our data, and we are fully redundant in terms of internet access, power supply, aircon, and all the stuff like that.
Depending on the angle of attack, a lot is already brought by the cloud provider. And in addition to that, again, the cloud provider will make available what we call built-in controls, so that they can beef up security and they can make decisions depending on the sensitivity of their application to raise security. But it's very important to understand as well that as we are moving to the cloud and as we are moving further, the level of threats is increasing as well, and we are forcing over time a kind of shortage of talent when it comes to security.